Bioderma Nation, it's me, Nolene, and I really need to get rid of these empty bottles. So I thought I would share with you guys what I've already used up and my thoughts on the products. So first off is the Bioderma Sebum H2O. So this is like it's called Solution Micellar Water. I really like this. I did. I actually bought the full-size ones. I bought 2 of them. I love Bioderma, you know, so I definitely stocked up. Love this stuff a lot. Bioderma also makes really good lotion. So yeah, there's that one. Then I'm gonna recycle all of these at the end of the video. Also, I used up this 3-in-1 micellar water from Botanics. This stuff was really good. Sadly, my store discontinued it, but I really liked it. Used the whole thing. Now, the Your Good Skin Balancing Skin Concentrate, I do believe 1 tube should last you about a good month. That's if you're using it correctly. I really did like it. It's a really great way to help balance out your microbiome. So another one I want to share with you is the alcohol-free toner from Neutrogena. I've actually gone through 2 bottles. This stuff I've used since I was in high school. Now using the Botanics Shine Away toner, and I've been using Bioderma as well. Their Sebum lotion is really good, has 8-hour hydration. And I've also been using the Aqua Rose AHA toner, and I'm like down to here. That's really good. I also bought a new one because I really like this toner. Sadly, again, my store discontinued these, so I'm definitely stocking up. Another toner I've tried was the L'Oreal Revitalift. I don't believe this is even for sale anymore. This was their Rejuvenation Toner. So this one said it was formulated with vitamin C. I personally did not really like this toner. It was fragranced, and it was one of those products that I felt like I just needed to use up just to get it out of the way. So I personally did not really like this one. It was a little drying to the skin. I just wasn't a fan. So I had this little tube right here. This one is from Aven. So this was a rehydrating serum, and this was just a little sample that was given to me, and I really liked it, so I went ahead and bought the bigger size. So Aven as a whole has really, really great products for the most sensitive skin. Like if you break out just from air hitting your face, you would want to try Aven. Aven is clinically proven, it's dermatologist recommended. I mean, anything could really be dermatologist tested, but for it to be recommended is another thing. This is actually dermatologist recommended, and also it's Nolena recommended, okay? So I love this stuff so, so much. This stuff it's great. It's phenomenal. The whole line is just phenomenal. I've used the Biore Charcoal. This said it was great for oily skin. This is their cleansing micellar water. This is just take it all off. No need to rinse, oil free. So I did like this. I didn't feel like it left that residue on my face that some micellar waters tend to leave. I liked it. Now this, the Vichy Mineral 89. I've already gone through maybe 4 of these. I love these so much. If also you have really sensitive skin, allergic to everything, I would recommend this Vichy Mineral 89. It has hyaluronic acid in there, and it's also made with 89% mineral water that comes from volcanoes. So it's rich in lots of natural minerals that actually help fortify the skin. It is amazing. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. This really goes well underneath any moisturizer. People even use it as a primer, or they even use it to mix in their foundation drops with. I even unscrew the top with these bottles, and I like beat every single last drop of it out of the jar. So these are extremely empty. So this one right here is the Olay Tone Perfecting Serum. This one has B3 and vitamin C in there. Really, really love it, and I hope Olay sends me more, because $39 for a serum bottle, I mean, yeah, I can afford it, but do I really want to do it? No. I have so many other serums. This one is the 10% Revitalift. This is the pure glycolic acid from L'Oreal Paris. I love this stuff so much. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. I love this stuff a lot. I've actually gone through 2 of these, but you know what? I like the thickness of the serum. I like it. It's not too tacky either. It's perfect for me. I really like it. Okay, and I actually got another serum. This one is not even close to being done. But yeah, this is just my living room stash. Let me see if I can turn the camera. This is my living room stash. And yes, when I mean living room stash, I mean this is just stuff I use when I'm in the living room. It's a problem, a skincare problem. Next, we have this Mario Badescu Hyaluronic Eye Cream. I really liked it. I don't remember how much it was, to be honest. I do recommend it. I do watch a lot of skincare YouTube. I love watching Cassandra Bankson, and she hates eye creams so much. She says they're a waste of money. She was like, just buy a moisturizer and plop that underneath your eyes. Use that all over your face. It's the same thing, most of it's the same ingredients. And, you know, it really is true that a lot of the eye creams share similar ingredients with your moisturizer. However, I bought this before I discovered her YouTube channel, so now I don't think I'm ever gonna spend money on an eye cream again. But yeah, I actually did enjoy this. Now, here's another one from Aven. This is their Hydrance Aqua Gel. I also bought a full size of this because I loved it so much. I swear, this cream in particular, it feels like it was formulated from angel silk. Like, it's crazy. Like angel silk mixed with cloud fluff, and it's just amazing. Like, it's heavenly. This one is a Hydra Genius. This one's for extra dry skin. This one's from L'Oreal. I've used 4 of these. 4. I also have another one over here somewhere in this skin pile right here, brand new. I love this stuff. If they came out with a fragrance-free version of this, I would buy 6 more. So L'Oreal, if you're watching this, which I highly doubt anyone's really watching this, but yeah, send me a lot of these, and hopefully you guys make a fragrance-free formula. This is a little strong in fragrance, however, I love the way it feels on my skin, despite the scent. It can be a little overwhelming, and that's from someone who really isn't bothered by fragrance all that much, but that cream is a little strong, guys. Just a warning. Now, another cream that I love. This is the Aqualia Thermal Rich. I love this cream. Everything, all these bottles I'm showing you are empty. I don't know why I'm opening them. They're fucking empty. This stuff, I actually had to get another one. I've used 2 of these, I think. 2 of them. And this is my 3rd jar. They're not the cheapest things in the world, but trust me, when you put this on at night, you are going to wake up hydrated. This stuff, amazing. And this one is also from Vichy. This one, it was the Lift Active Peptide C Cream. I love this. Also, it does have a fragrance in it, but it's formulated with peptides, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. It has pretty much everything you need in here for like a nice brightening, tightening effect. It does say it firms and brightens and reduces wrinkles. I swear by this stuff. After using one whole jar consistently, like back to back to back every single night, not switching my moisturizers, not doing anything, I used this one all the way through, and my skin did feel firmer. And I know I'm not like older and everything else like that, but I personally felt a difference in my skin with this stuff. This one can be found at Walgreens and Ulta, but I would prefer getting it at Walgreens. You get way better points at Walgreens than you do at Ulta, and definitely worth your while once you build up enough points. I actually got another one right here. Yeah, but I've already gone through 2 of these. 3rd one as well. So another thing from Vichy, and this one is the Neovadio Night Cream. This one was pretty good, not my favorite from Vichy. It did have a really strong scent to it, which I really wasn't a fan of, but yeah, not a bad cream. So this one is from Ole Henriksen, and I have 2 of these little babies. This was from a little gift set that I bought around Christmas time. I didn't like the scent of either of these. Ole Henriksen is one of those brands that are very hyped up, but I really was not surprised with these little samples. I'm really glad I didn't buy full size. Now this stuff. This is the Coconut Water Facial Moisturizer from Polymers. I loved this stuff. This stuff was so good. So freaking good. I can still smell it in this. You'll love this cream. It smells just like coconuts. And it doesn't have mineral oil in it. It doesn't have like anything that could really clog your pores. This stuff is phenomenal. It's great. Now this is a cleansing balm. This one is from Botanics. I loved this balm so much. It made double cleansing a dream. It did last me a long time as well because you only needed a little bit of this stuff. Sadly, my store discontinued it last year. Now moving on. So I've tried the Formula 10.06. This is a PM Perfector. And I was wondering if it was going to be a dupe for the CeraVe creams. Honestly, I prefer CeraVe over this one. This one wasn't bad, but it wasn't the best. This was also one of the ones that I felt like I had to kind of just hurry up and use just so I can get it off my nightstand. Now this one was the Saturday Skin. This is the Waterfall Glacial Water Cream. I did like this one. It lasted me a long time. It's very hydrating. I think it's cruelty-free if I'm not mistaken. I'll go ahead and pop that up. I'm not really sure. It was made in Korea. Not much I could really say about this one. I felt like it felt like every other water cream I've tried. Nothing special. You could probably save your money and just buy the one from number 7. The oil-free one. It's super, super similar to this one. Not ingredient-wise, but texture-wise, and it performs the exact same way, but for like half the price. So this one is also from Your Good Skin. If you guys remember from earlier, I talked about the Your Good Skin Balancing Concentrate. This one is really good. The Pro Vitamin Overnight Cream. I did not want this tube to end. I loved it so much. This one is also for all skin types. It says wake up to skin that feels healthy and feels replenished. This one also has their green tea, vitamin C, E, and B5. This stuff, amazing for any skin type out there. This number 7 Early Defense Glow Activating Serum. I've used maybe 4 tubes of this. I love it so much. I squeeze every single last drop out of this tube. But I have backups after backups after backups over here. I've used about 4. Love them. Coco Cabana Cream by Sol de Janeiro. I don't know where the actual jar is, but I found the lid. This stuff was actually really good. But that leads me to this. This is the Cake Butter by Sugar Rush. I used this entire tub. Nothing left in here. Smells the exact same. Well, smells very similar, I should say, to the Boom Boom cream. A lot of people say Bum Bum, but I heard it was called Boom Boom. Anyway, whatever. It smells very similar to that, and also the fraction of the price. This stuff can be found at Ulta. Love, love, love the scent. Oh my god, it drives me nuts. It smells so good. It smells so good. I'm actually gonna go ahead and end the video here. I'm gonna post another video following up with like hair care products and other products. If you guys like this video or want to see more like this, go ahead and leave that like button blue, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.